Business process management software allows manufacturers to optimize their work at scale, resulting in more efficient operations with the help of automation. Now, maybe there are more things in my life I should automate. BPMS can be useful throughout an entire organization, including these three areas: sales process management, customer, vendor, and employee onboarding, management innovation and lifecycle management, supply chain management, operations and production management, and lastly, BPM also enables companies to enjoy more efficiency and compliance in their finance and administration departments. Using BPMS platforms like HighGear results in process, operational, and business excellence throughout the manufacturing industry. Some of the benefits for manufacturing facilities utilizing BPMS include shortened supply chain management cycles, increased efficiency, decreased costs, greater operational control, resolved complexities, improved quality of customer support, better compliance, overcoming integration challenges, and stronger governance and quality control. Basically, BPMS is a good idea, just like cake is a good idea. It just is. It's just great. The manufacturing industry is evolving as we step toward the future. With a greater focus on technology, automation, and connectivity, factory work has become more engaging and safer than ever before, resulting in greater business stability and performance for manufacturers. Thanks very much for watching. Please feel free to schedule a demo to learn how we can help you to continue achieving business excellence using the link below this video. Stay tuned for more helpful videos, and we will see you next time.